Selection of substrate carrier plates for rapid thermal annealing furnaces. Expensive does not equal better. Semiconductor rapid thermal processor technical exchange. You may use a susceptor, a standard silicon wafer with or without a pocket, or a standard TC wafer as your substrate carrier. Available susceptor materials include graphite with CVD silicon carbide coating, the most popular in the market. Sintered silicon carbide, pure CVD silicon carbide. Silica with sputtered silicon carbide coating. Please note that different carriers may lead to variations in performance. The most suitable option depends on your specific application. There is no universally best choice. Ready to elevate your semiconductor processing? Join the leaders in the industry. Choose Allwin 21's Accuthermo AW Series RTPs, where performance meets perfection. Visit www.allwin21.com to learn more.